let's say you just got home from a long hike or all day at work or a big run, small run, bike ride, and your legs are hammered. I'm here to share with you 3 easy recovery techniques that will help your legs instantly feel better. My name's Cami, and I'm here to share tricks with using yoga, self-massage, and proper biomechanics to help you live your life to the fullest. Join me on the mat. The first one, this is my homemade couch. Put the blanket on there to make it feel more like a couch, but this is easy. You just sidle right up to the front of your couch and lie down and just relax. Just let your legs fall away, their knees fall away from each other. And you will immediately feel that restfulness, that in the inversions, whenever you invert, get your head lower, then we're not too much lower than our heart, but our legs are up, and it immediately signals the nervous system to relax. So you can stay here just as long as you want. Enjoy that restful feeling. Wow, that feels really good to me. Guess I needed it. So you're absolutely doing nothing, and it feels glorious. Okay, the second technique. So if you're not at a wall, find yourself a wall. Mine is just nice and convenient here. I'm going to move my couch, and then I'm going to bring my hips right up next to the wall here. This is the one that we'll use 2 blocks for. If you have them, if you don't, you can just use pillows, or you may not even need anything. You may feel fine without support. So I'm going to bring my hips right next to the wall, lie down, and spin so my feet can rest on the wall. So I'm going to take these blocks, and we're going to do an adductor stretch, an inner thigh mellow stretch. So I'm going to put these blocks up on the corners so my legs just kind of fall along the long edge. Give myself a little more space on my right in case my legs relax and widen even more. So from here, I'm just getting this nice inner thigh stretch, which is awesome. And your legs are supported, so they don't feel like, they're not fighting you, trying to get that stretch. They're just being supported and relaxed. Some people like it even without and just like to really let that leg go. You can kind of keep moving the blocks to allow more opening. Like that just gave me a little bit more opening. And then I'm just going to enjoy that gentle stretch. Nothing to make me wince or brace, just relax. I love to have my arms like this too, because it's very opening for the chest and relaxing. So that is technique number 2. You get a stretch in your hamstrings and your inner thighs on that. The next one, just come up the wall. Probably many of you know this legs up the wall trick. Your hips are already close to the wall. You're just going to rest. You're not tensing the knees or anything. You're just relaxing and letting the weight of your legs be supported by the wall. So next time you have tired out legs, either from work or play, just take even 1 to 3 minutes or more, and it just calms the nervous system. It's like the blood, I mean, the blood circulates anyway, but it's like the blood circulation, the circulatory system gets a little help with gravity returning to the heart. And so it can be very relaxing. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll have a follow-up video with the alpha twins massaging those legs of yours. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.